Hi guys, this is Grace and welcome to process video number 155 entitled Life is an Adventure. And this is my first video showcasing the October Flavors of the Month kit from the Scraproom Kit Club. And this one focuses on the American Crafts Vicky Button Field Notes collection. Alright, so this process video is actually gonna be really short because a lot of the things that I've done was done there were some things that were kind of repetitive, so I didn't film it. But we're gonna start off with the beige cardstock, and that will be my background. But I also wanted to have just a tiny border of color around it, and so I'm gonna use this paper that has kind of a mixed media going on here, and as always I am going to gut the inside of the paper because I only get 3 pattern papers from each of the mini collections, and so I want to be able to maximize the products that I have, and also because I know that the center of it won't show anyways, so I just decided that I will cut that out so I can use it for either part of this layout or for another layout. So that's going to be my frame, and that's going to go behind my beige cardstock. And then I have 4 3x4 photos. They're all vertical, and they're photos of my daughter when she turned 10 years old. I did a little bit, just a short photo shoot with her, and her birthday is actually October, so as you can see the colors of the leaves were already changing when we took these photos, and it's pretty simple. Well, in my eyes anyways, it's pretty simple. The only color that you really see is her skirt, and then, or the colors in her skirt, and then also the leaves. She has a white shirt on, so that was pretty neutral. So I'm going to be adding colors in this layout through this floral pattern paper that you see me show here on the screen. And what I love about it is because it had different sizes of flowers that I was able to hand cut. So I just had fun fuzzy cutting a lot of those flowers. And if you noticed, my initial design idea was that the photos will be in the center, and then the journaling and the title will be in between those photos. But once I had cut out all of the flowers, I kind of went a little bit crazy, and so I had to move the photos around. And I still love how the design turned out. The flowers are gorgeous, and I love being able to incorporate that here. Now, the mini kit that I got had this big adventure epoxy letter, and so I'm going to be using that as part of my title. But because it's just one word, I wanted to complete the title with by adding stickers that would spell life is an, so that the title will be Life is an Adventure. And those stickers are from my stash, and that's an authentic sticker sheet. And so I used some of the die cuts that was also in the pack, and that kind of filled up the rest of my page. As you can see, it's pretty full, but I was able to maximize the products that I have. And then to add a little bit more dimension to the flowers, I pulled out my black Nuvo drops, and that's going to be the centers of the flowers, and then I'm going to of course set that aside to dry. And that is my first page. So if you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you want to check out the Scraproom Kit Club, make sure that you check out the link in the description below as well, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.